How to withdraw money from Draftkings to Venmo. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you'll be needing your Draftkings application installed in your device. Log in into your application and tap on the profile photo, from which tap on the withdraw icon. From here, select the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Now, in the application section, you need to tap on Venmo. Once you do it, you will have to enter your Venmo account details, such as your Venmo account number. Once you do this, you can hit on the withdraw option. By this way, you'll be able to withdraw your money from your Draftkings to your Venmo. However, you should know about the hidden fees that will take while withdrawing your money from your Draftkings to your Venmo application. All you need is enough balance in your Draftkings as well. And make sure you have connected your Venmo to your Draftkings. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of it. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.